Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can install and download Docker on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, open your Google browser and enter here Docker and press enter. Now you can see that we are here in the official website of Docker. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you will see this is the official website of Docker. So now click on this documentation. So now you need to click on this get Docker. So when you click on it, you will see that you have available options. You can download Docker for Apple, for Windows, and for Ubuntu or Linux as well. So for now we are going to download Docker on Windows 11. So we will click on this Docker desktop for Windows. So now for a 64-bit operating system, you need to click on this Docker desktop for Windows. Once you click on it, it will start downloading. So here you can see that Docker installation downloading has been started. So I have already installed this. I have already downloaded this Docker. So I'm not going to download it again. So I will just pause it here, and I will go to the folder where I have already downloaded it. So here is a Docker desktop installer which I have downloaded from the same website I have already told you. So what you have to do is you just need to double click on this Docker desktop installer and it will take you into the installation process. So here you can see that Docker installation process has been started. So this is the interface of the installation. So this is the configuration. This is the recommended option. So we will just go with this recommended option. Now click on OK. Now Docker is unpacking all the files which is necessary for the installation. So now here you can see that the installation process has been completed. So now we will close it here, and so now to make sure that Docker has been successfully installed, we just need to go to here and we will write it here cmd and open it the command terminal. Once you open the command terminal, just write it here docker -- version and press enter. So here you can see that the Docker version 28.3.0 has been installed in our PC. So here you can see that the desktop icon has already been created. So we will double click on it. So Docker subscription service agreement, so we need to accept it here. Now you can log in the Docker using your Google account. If you have your work email, you can log in from your work, and if you are not an employee, or you cannot have a work email, you can just use a personal email, and you can also use directly from the Gmail as well. So I will go with the Gmail. So now it says that open Docker desktop, so I will open again. So now you can see that the Docker has successfully been installed and configured. So now you can run any virtual machine here using the Linux or whatever you want to do. So this is the complete installation process. Hope so you have enjoyed the video. If you find the video useful, then please subscribe it and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Thank you.